Hello students. So today we will solve exercise 51. Okay. The first question is this. A packet of sweets weight 2 kg 375 gram. Another packet weighs 1 kg 950 gram. How much do weigh together? So this is story problem. So there is no need to write the question. Only you have to write the statements and then you have to solve the questions. So how will you write the statements? First question is this. Weight of one packet of tea. Weight of one packet of sweet. What is given there? 2 kg 375 gram. 2 kg 375 gram. Weight of another packet of sweet. What is given there? 1 kg 950 gram. 1 kg 950 gram. So the question is asking how much do they weigh together. So what you have to do? You have to add here. Okay. So here you write total weight of sweet. Total weight of sweet. You have to write in kg and gram. So 2 kg 375 gram is here and 1 kg 950 gram. So you have to add this. 5 and 0 5 7 5 12 9 3 12 1 30 and 2 1 3 kg 1325 gram. So dear students, here you can see this is greater than 1000. If gram will be greater than or equal to 1000, then that will be converting kg. So how do we convert? 3 kg plus 1000 gram plus 325 gram. So 3 kg plus 1 kg plus 325 gram. Because you know students, in 1 kg 1000 gram. In 1 kg how many grams will be in 1 kg? 1000 gram. So at the place of 1000 gram I have written here 1 kg. Now this kg and kg will be add. So 3 kg and 1 kg 4 kg 325 gram is your answer. Okay. So like this you have to solve. Now I am going to tell you question number 9. What is question number 9? Question number 9 is this. Renu weighed 30 kg, 360 gram. She fell ill and lost 3 kg, 485 gram. What is her weight now? So you have to write weight of Renu equals to weight of Renu 30 kg, 360 gram. 30 kg, 360 gram. Her lost weight, her lost weight. Three kg, 485 gram. So what will be her present weight? Then you have to present weight. Weight of Renu. So you have to subtract. Okay. So in first you have to write in kg and gram. 30 kg, 350 gram, and 3 kg, 485 grams. So you have to subtract it. Here you can see that 360 is smaller than 485. So it cannot be subtracted. So it will take carry from kg, and kg will give carry 1 kg. 1 kg means 1000 gram. It will give carry to gram. So here it is 360. If kg is giving 1000 gram, so now it will become 1360 gram, and now this kg will become 29 kg. Okay. Now you can easily subtract it. So 0 minus 5 you can subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5. Now it becomes 5. It means 15 minus 8 equal to 7. Then 12 minus 4, 8. And 29 minus 3, 26 kg. 875 gram. Okay. So your answer will be 26 kg, 875 gram. 26 kg, 875 gram. So like this you have to subtract. So in each and every question you have to write a statement, then you have to solve the questions. Now I am going to explain you question number 12. Question number 12 is this. Preeti bought 12 kg 300 gram of sugar in the beginning of month. So you have to write Preeti bought sugar in the beginning of month 12 kg 300 gram. 12 kg 300 gram. She used 11 kg 725 gram of it during the month. She used sugar equal to 11 kg 725 gram. 725 gram. So total quantity of sugar is left. Total quantity of sugar is left unused. So what you do? You have to subtract here kg and gram. You have to write in kg and gram, then you have to subtract. So 12 kg 300 gram and 11 kg 725. From 12 kg 300 gram, you will subtract 11 kg 725 gram. So how will you subtract? Here you can see, students, that 300 is smaller than 725. So it cannot be subtracted. So it will take carry 1 kg. 1 kg means 1000 gram. So now it will become 1300 gram and this will become 11 kg. Now you can subtract it easily. So 10 minus 5, 5. Then 9 minus 2, 7. And 12 minus 7, 5. 575 gram and 0 kg. So you can say this 575 gram was unused. Okay. So like this you have to solve this whole exercise. Okay. And assignment 10 you have to fill in book only. On next term I will start next chapter, measurement of capacity. Okay students, I hope you understand it well that how you have to solve in your fair copy. Okay, there is no need to write the questions, only you have to write the statement like this, then you have to solve the questions. Okay, thanks, have a nice day.